बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। नाज़रीन, आज हम हल करेंगे पीपीएससी के, एनटीएससी के, एफपीएससी के, सीएसएस के रिलेटिव, पीएमएस के रिलेटिव, एसपीएससी सिंध सर्विस पब्लिक कमीशन के मतलब, पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के पेपर्स, बलूचिस्तान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के पेपर्स, तमाम जो कमीशन हैं, जो एनटीएससी की जॉब्स हैं, नेशनल लेवल की जॉब्स हैं, जितनी जॉब्स में जो एग्जाम्स हुए हैं उनकी जनरल नॉलेज की और जो जो उनके पेपर में इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं ना, उनको तमाम को निकाल के 1000 क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यूज बनाए हैं और ये आज हम आपको हल करके बताएंगे। ठीक है, अगर ये आपने तैयार कर लिया, अच्छी तरह वीडियो को देख लिया और इसको अच्छी तरह 1-2 बार सुन लिया और तैयार कर ली, तो मैं आपको श्योरिटी के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि आपका 50 से 60% तक आपका कोई भी एग्जाम हो, एनटीएससी का हो, किसी भी किस्म की जॉब का हो, लैट का हो, कैट का हो, किसी भी किस्म का रिलेटिव टेस्ट हो पाकिस्तान में, सीएसएस क्या था कि एमपीटीसी टेस्ट भी हो, आप वो आसानी से क्लियर कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलते हैं, वीडियो को आपने पूरा देखना है। ये 1000 एमसीक्यूज आपको मैं हल करके बताऊंगा। ठीक है, वीडियो लंबी हो जाएगी, आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है। ठीक है, तो चलते हैं पहली वीडियो की तरफ। पहली वीडियो है, ओडोमीटर इज यूज टू मेजर डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय व्हील्स। ठीक है, व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट एवर क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हेल्ड? पहला क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप कब हुआ था? 1975 में। ज़रा मैं इसको क्लियर नहीं करूँगा, जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ूंगा ताकि टाइम आपका जो है ना बच्चे आपके जहन में 2-3 बार आप सुनेंगे तो आपको याद हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, विच टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर आज क्लाइंट कंप्यूटर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन अ क्लाइंट सर्वर सिस्टम? माइक्रो कंप्यूटर। ठीक है, वेयर वाज द फर्स्ट एवर क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप होल्ड इन? इंग्लैंड में हुआ था, 1975 में हुआ था। ठीक है, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ बररूमा समाज? राजा राम मोहन रे। When British Indian Association was formed May 1866, science is derived from Latin word scientica, which means knowledge. Who was the founder of Prarthana Samaj? Dr. Athma Ray Pond. ठीक है, हाउ वाइड इन आ विकेट? 15 इंच होती है। ठीक है, कंप्यूटर 9 इंच, सॉरी, a computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. Okay, which of the following is not waterborne diseases? Influenza. Who was the first president of Anjuman Hamalat Islam? खलीफा हमादुद्दीन। ओके, उसके बाद आगे हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 की तरफ। विच स्टेटमेंट डिस्क्राइब हैकर्स ब्रेक इनटू अदर्स? आगे, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ आर्य समाज? बर्नार्ड सरस्वती। ठीक है, व्हेन पाकिस्तान काउंसिल एक्ट वाज एनफोर्स? 1860 and 1892. When a file is saved for the first time, it must be given a name to identify it. ठीक है, where are data and programs stored when the processor use them? Main memory. ठीक है, I quintal is equal to how many kg? 100 kg। ठीक है, ये ज्यादातर जनरल नॉलेज के हैं, साइंस के रिलेटिव है, करंट अफेयर के हैं। जो जनरल नॉलेज मतलब उसमें साइंस के रिलेटिव, पॉलिटिक्स के रिलेटिव, वार जंगों के मतलब है, हर तरह की लिहाज से ये क्वेश्चन बनाए हैं। बहुत ही आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद हो गया। आपने तमाम वीडियो को पूरा सुनना है, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है और इससे तैयारी करनी है। आपकी 50 से 60% तैयारी हो जाएगी, ये मैं गारंटी के साथ कहता हूँ। आगे चलते हैं। पी वेज इज द टर्म एसोसिएट विद earthquakes, ठीक है। Analytical solution to quadratic equators were introduced by Al-Khwarizmi, ठीक है। When Islamia College Railway Road was established 1907 में, ठीक है। Who was the founder of DU Samaj? सीता मान Agnihotri. Name the branch of science which deal with the study of sound and sound waves. Acoustics. Okay. How was the founder of Indian National Congress? Alan Octavian Hume. ठीक है। How formed Indian political patriotic association? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1888. How was the founder of Mohammedan Defense Association? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan है ये भी। Chemically fingernails are made up of proteins. An example of non-numeric data is employee address. Okay, who is the allowed to wear gloves while fielding in a cricket match? विकेट कीपर, ठीक है। Okay, the amount of vertical space between lines of text in document is called line spacing, ठीक है। When Indian National Congress was formed 1885. How is the embedded system? The computer which is the part of large system of machine. The study of creation of the universe is called cosmogony, ठीक है। Who was the founder of Ram Christian Misa? राम क्रिश्चियन प्रिस्टा, ठीक है। Which of the following is the responsible for large amount of oxygen on earth? Alkia. When Hindi Urdu controversy started 1867, ठीक है। When Anjame Hamate Islam was established 1884, the average kinetic energy of the molecules of body determines temperature. Majlis-e-Khidmat-e-Kaaba was established in 1913. How was the first Pakistani leader to visit China? Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi. Which metal is added to steel to make it stainless steel? Cadmium. Okay. When Mohammedan Education Conference was founded 1866. Representative raw facts, whereas data information is data made many fungal. Junk email is called spam, ठीक है। In which cricket stadium was played the first ODI international match? Melbourne, ठीक है। Cotton is grown on black soil. Which of the following gases do plants and trees gives out during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Altimeter is used to measure altitude. Okay. On which disease does Robert Koch work? Tuberculosis. Okay. Which one of the following fuel causes minimum environmental pollution? Hydrogen. When did Lord Mountbatten arrive in Delhi as new Viceroy of India? March 22, 1947, ठीक है। Gateway of Inverter is Khyber Pass. Again, Tipu Sultan write a letter to which governor to help him against British army rule in India? France. How ordered to excavating Mohenjo-daro in 1922? Shah Jahan Marshal. Which slave king is buried in Lahore? Qutbuddin Aibak. How does the word Pakistan means Holy Land? National celebration dash birth anniversary of लियाकत अली खान 1 अक्टूबर 2017 122वां, ठीक है। The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. The substances which increase the rate of chemical reaction is catalyst. Okay, the average human body contains about dash germ of sodium chloride 250. The best soil pH value for most crops and plants is 6.5. Ni3 is an base. Salts are natural dash are biological catalytic enzymes. The most abundant constituent in air is nitrogen. Isotopes are atoms of same element with different number of electrons. Over dash 75 of the elements in the periodic tables are metals. The substance which gives hydrogen ions in water is called acids. KHSO4 is an acid. Neutral solution has pH value of 7. According to Brønsted, acids are proton acceptor. Severe deficiency of severe deficiency of vitamin D result in rectus. ये बीमारी है, ठीक है. People living in high altitudes like mountains usually have a smaller number of red blood cells. Large number of red blood cells. Okay, yeah. The average adult has a blood volume of about dash 5 liters. Vitamin dash is needed for the formation of a light sensitive pigment in the retina A. ठीक है, विटामिन ए होता है. About dash of body weight of mammals is water 70% होता है. Blood is carried toward the heart by veins. Dash is the essential for the formation of a hemoglobin iron. ठीक है. Dash are needed as a source of energy for the vital activities of the body. Carbohydrates. What was the real name of Imam Abu Hanifa? Numan. ठीक है. What is the compulsory tax on the produce of agriculture land? Ushar. ठीक है. How many obligation फर्ज are there in the Hajj? 3 फर्ज होते हैं, ठीक है. How much is the rate of ushar on the producer of artificial irrigation land? 1/20. Hijaz stay in Mana for 1 day, the second day at Arfat, and the final day Kapait is done by night at Muzdalifah. It called Waqaf. ठीक है. From where the word Zakat is derived, Tazkiyah, which is the literal meaning of word Hajj is the will to visit. How much is the rate of usher on the procedure of land benefits by rain or some natural springs? 1/10. ठीक है. When did लियाकत खान visit USA? 1915 में. Babri Masjid incident was occurred in 6 December 1992. Urdu was declared national language of Pakistan in April 1915. According to referendum, British give vote in favor to leave Brexit 51.89%. Who is called Saki Zamzam Hazrat Abbas Raziallah Ta'ala Anha, who was the first Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Abdul Rashid. When did Fatima Jinnah join All Muslim League? 1939. Pakistan national flag was prepared by Amiruddin Kodwai के चौधरी रहमत अली ने नाम रखा था पाकिस्तान का. ठीक है. Who was the first woman governor of State Bank of Pakistan? Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. Mirpur is the famous city of Azad Kashmir. The United States was founded on October 24, 1945. Which country from the following not the member of UNA? Vatican City. ये एक रियासत ये मुल्क नहीं है, छोटा सा मुल्क है. The International Court of Justice is located in The Hague. Organization of our Islamic Cooperation (OIC) has डैश ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज 3। ये नाज़रीन 102 हो चुके हैं एमसीक्यूज। मैं तकरीबन 1000 तक और आपको इसमें हल करके पूरी वीडियो में बताऊंगा। आपके लिए तैयार किया, आपने गौर से सुनना है, पढ़ना है और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। मैं इसी तरह के 500 400 एमसीक्यू आपको डेली की बुनियाद पर वीडियोस आप तक शेयर करता रहूंगा और आपने इसको ध्यान से पूरी को देखना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है, चैनल को कर लें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंचती जाए और बेल आइकन को जरूर दबा लीजिएगा, ठीक है। देयर आर नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल। 10 द करेंसी ऑफ इंडोनेशिया इज रुपया। The T8 is the organization of eight developing. Okay, the European Union's working capital is in Brussels. Okay, then again the headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels. Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah fixed his salary as the Governor General of Pakistan at 1. आगे ऑपरेशन ज़र्ब-ए-अज़्म was started on 15 जून 2014. आगे Gymnophobia is fear of nudity. The book Higher Than Hopes is a biography of Nelson Mandela. Who was the founder of America रिपब्लिक पार्टी? नन, इनमें से कोई भी नहीं है। मिराज गुलाब सिंह डोगर sold Kashmir to British government in 1846. Who was the first chief minister of Balochistan from 1972 to 13 फरवरी 1973? सरदार अताउल्ला खान मेंगल. Which among the following countries released the highest amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere? China. ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी was established in 16 में. पंजाब पुलिस was established in 1861. McMahon Line is a border between India and China. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development 1992 was held in Rio de Janeiro. Who was the first Muslim Air Marshal of Pakistan? Air Marshal Agha Khan. A terrorist attack was launched on Army Public School in Peshawar 16 दिसंबर 2014. WAFA is the news agency of which country? Palestine. ठीक है. RAW stand for Research and Analysis Wings. ठीक है. The first martial law in Pakistan was imposed in October 1958. The Iran-Pakistan gas pipeline is also known as Peace Pipeline. Which country does not have any army? Iceland. Okay. Where is the Ibadat Khana situated? Fatehpur Sikri. Okay. Alexander the Great was the king of Macedonia. What is the total area of Gilgit-Baltistan? 72,971 kilometer square. मुरब्बा किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. Who is the first deputy president of the National Assembly? मोहम्मद तमीजुद्दीन खान. ठीक है. When Pakistan signed Baghdad Pact 1955. When was Baitul Muqaddas conquered during Rashidun Caliphate 1631 AD? The ruins of Harappa are spread over 370 across acres. Which is the oldest civilization of Pakistan? Indus civilization. Before becoming the Prime Minister, Mr. Feroz Khan known has served as the governor of which province? Punjab. Which did East Punjab in India cut off the flow of canal water to West Punjab in Pakistan 1st April 1948? The Swadeshi movement means boycott of goods, British goods. Shimla deputation was led by Sir Aga Khan, who moved the resolution of establishing Muslim League Nawab of Dhakia, which delivered a presidential address in which the Muslim League was established. नवाब वकारुल मुल्क. ठीक है. सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट trade was awarded to Muslim in 1999. Annulment of partition of Bengal was announced in 1911. Jinnah was formally enrolled in All Muslim League in 1913. Cambridge was started by Maulana Muhammad Ali. Al-Hilal was started by Abu Kalam Azad. Jinnah was the principal architect of Lucknow Pact. ठीक है. The most important change brought about by Minto Morley reforms was separate electorate electro electorate. ठीक है. Turkey the First World War was choose to fight on the side of Germany. Treaty of Service Severs was announced in 1920. Salahuddin and Soghatin movement was started at the end of Tehreek-e-Khilafat. Zamindar was brought about by Zafar Ali Khan. Report of Rowlatt Committee was published in 1918. Jallianwala Bagh took place कब हुआ था 1999. Jinnah resigned from Congress during Nagpur session in 1920. Mopeless rising in Malabar took place in 1921. The Mofla rose against the British by Hindu Zamindar, which movement was started by Sir Swami Saradhanand Sudhai. Sankirtan was started by Pandit Malviya. Swami Sardat was murdered in 1926. Churi Chichai Chuchara incident took place in 1922. Khilafat was abolished by Mustafa Kamal Pasha in 1924. Shimla Commission was sent to India in 1927, which party was divided into pro-charges and changers. Congress Nehru report was an answer to the challenges given by Lord Birkenhead. The day of delivered was observed by all Muslim League noon on 22 दिसंबर को हुआ था. ठीक है. 1991. Which bank has give first loan in millions to Pakistan governor at the time independence? HBL Bank. Women seats in Senate 17 है. अब आप क्लियर करके देख लें कितनी है गूगल करके. The Sark movement was launched by regional corporation. Graveyard of Empires is Afghanistan. Balochistan became province in 1st July 1917. How many founding members OIC has at the time of its establishment? 25 members हैं. ठीक है. नवाब अकबर बुगटी was assassinated on 26 अगस्त 2006. ठीक है. Who was the heir of 18 hero of the 1857 Bakhta Khan. ठीक है. Navy captain is equal in rank to army colonel. ठीक है. Colonel. ठीक है. Who was the first Democratic president to complete his 5-year tenure? Asaf Ali Zardari. Nandipur in which district? Gujranwala. Cacres is the capital of Venezuela. Dassault hydel power is to the located in KPK. Peru is the country of Dash West America. Nelson Mandela was born in 1913. Quaizadam took admission in Launiconic in 1908. 1903. Rabat is the capital of Morocco. British killed Lakshmi in 1858. When was the Punjab annexed by British? 1847. Crimea is an independent state dash of Ukraine. South Russia attacked Georgia in dash 2008 में. International Food is observed on 16 October. During the Second War, British Prime Minister was Winston S. Churchill. Shimla Conference was held in 1947. Cabinet mission delegation consisted of dash members 3. There are members of states 19 193. ठीक है. कायदे आजम मिल्लत कायदे मिल्लत लियाकत अली खान was murdered on dash 16 अक्टूबर 1951 लियाकत बाग रावलपिंडी में. Hanana Leak is located in Balochistan. Mossad is an intelligence agency of Israel. Second largest ocean of the world, Atlantic Ocean, where covered about the 70% of the whole world water ने किया है. ठीक है. जो जमीन का कवर्ड हिस्सा है ना वो 75% पानी है. बाकी जो 25% वो खुश्की है. द पेपर वी यूज इन द फैक्स मशीन इज कॉल्ड थर्मल पेपर. Head of Senate is called chairman. Who invented bulb? Edison. The capital city of South Sudan, Juba. ओके, ये 200 MCQs हो चुके हैं दोस्तों. आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो पूरी देखनी है, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है और बेल आइकन का बटन जरूर क्लिक करना है ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंचती रहे. मैं रोजाना की बुनियाद पर कोशिश करूंगा आपको ऐसे ही 500,000 MCQs आप तक पहुंचाओ. हर पेपर में आप इसको याद करके जा सकते हैं. Indus-Bastille Treaty was signed in 1916. How led the Khilafat movement? M.A. Johar. How was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition of India? Lord Mountbatten. Which one is the highest peak of the Hindu Kush? Titri Mir. The height of Nanga Parbat 8,125 मीटर. When was the 1956 Constitution implemented? 23 March. The ECO was founded in 1985. The total length of Pakistan-Afghanistan border 2252. Non-aligned countries organization called NAM. Mohabbat Khan Mosque is located in Peshawar. Rohtas Fort located in Jhelum. Member of OIC in total are 57. इस्लामी ममालिक हैं इसमें. Administrative center of OIC situated in Jeddah, Saudi Arab में. Where is the headquarter of OPEC? Vienna. Dawn newspaper started published in Delhi. There are dash 28 member states of European Union. Gulf Cooperation Council consists of dash member states 6, which pass link Pakistan and China via Silk Route. Khajuraho Pass. Most dry fruits are cultivated in which province of Pakistan? Balochistan. When was the first 5-year plan? 1955. Who was first Secretary General of the UN? Trikivli. The first roundtable conference was held in London. How many states did the All-Muslim Leagues win the Central Legislation Assembly in the 1955 election in India? These Gandhi raised the slogan of Quiet India. Which slogan did Quaid-e-Azam rise to counter it? Divided and Quiet. यौम तकबीर इन पाकिस्तान सेलिब्रेशन 28 मई. इस दिन पाकिस्तान ने अपने एटमी धमाके किए थे. ठीक है. द लार्जेस्ट क्रिकेट स्टेडियम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज मेलबर्न क्रिकेट स्टेडियम ग्राउंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. इन विच सूरा obligation of ablution are describes al-Mahdiya. Which one of the following is considered to the one of the father of internet? Wanton Gray CREF. The Federal Administered Tribal Areas (FATF) consists of 7 agencies. Qazaaf means false accusations of adultery. If A and B together are complete a job in 15 days and B alone are complete in it 20 days, how many days are A alone complete jobs? 60 दिनों में करेगा ठीक है. In information technology, what does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup in Language. Head office of Asia Interfraction Investment Bank is located in Beijing. A ceasefire UN military observe group in India and Pakistan established to report on violation 1949. The ruling Muslim dynasty of India from 1320 to 1414 AD was Tughlaq. ठीक है. The tragic incident of Karbala took place during the month of Muharram in the Hijri of Qat Hijri. Confucianism or Alexis mythology originated in China. Dr. Muhammad Yunus, Nobel Prize winner, is known all over the world as the founder of German Bank. When the stock market is rising is called bullish. Nanga Parbat, one of the most dangerous mountain to mountain ninth. Imam Ghazali was born and died in the University of Iran, Taus. Which of the following is responsible for the largest amount of oxygen of Earth? Algae. Which is the longest bone in a human body? Femur. Varsika Dam was when being built on the river of Kabul. Which para of Holy Quran Surah Al-Muhan is located 24वें पारे में. ठीक है. In which year did Pakistan reach its first Olympic hockey gold medal? 1960 को. Which of the following provisions is part of the Objective Resolution Fundamental Rights of Minorities? Which was the last major expedition led by Holy Prophet peace be upon him? Tabuk. The famous Qisas Kawani Bazaar is located in Peshawar. ठीक है. A Portuguese explorer discovered the sea route from Europe to India. Vasco da Gama. Again, Harappa is a city in Punjab about 24 kilometers southwest of Sahiwal. The headquarters of International Court of Justice is situated in The Hague. In which province is the town Dalbondan located in Balochistan? Lack of vitamin C causes scurvy. Which is the means of iltikaf circulation? Capital city of Albania is Tirana. In which year was Nelson Mandela of South Africa awarded Nishane-Pakistan? 1992. Islam was declared as the state religion under the Constitution of 1973. The scored the first cricket test century of the Pakistan in 1952. Nazar Muhammad. Optical fiber system telecommunication system. Hasgan Shahid Sohrawardy was Prime Minister of Pakistan. Ahmad Shah Massoud was prominent leader of North Alliance in Afghanistan to which he belonged to Tajikistan का था. ठीक है. What is the Sonia Gandhi relationship with Mahatma Gandhi? No family. Which one of the following Prime Minister of India has received the award of Nishane-Pakistan? Mehraj Disha 1919 में. Which prophet was titled as Zabiullah? Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Bai'at Rizwan was made to take the revenge of Hazrat Umar. House succeeded President Ziaul Haq as the President of Pakistan Ghulam Ishaq Khan. ठीक है. To copy a picture of screen 7, the clipboard used print screen key. ठीक है. A small town in Sindh, Kitty Border is famous as the fish harbour. UPS is now widely used in household. What does UPS stand for? Uninterruptible Interruptible power supply. Jaundice is the disease in which the color of the skin becomes yellowish. Pakistan joined UN in 1947. Reykjavik is the capital city of Iceland. The capital of Byzantine Europe was Constantinople. During the time of Prophet peace be upon him, the emperor of Byzantine empire was Heraclius. The Serviline is the opposite of Haggai. Dash wrote the tragedy of Hudaybiyah. Hudaybiyah. Hazrat Ali Radiyallahu Anhan is the meaning of Asrar Ascension. Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan was the leader of Unionist Party. The national flower of Pakistan जैसम चमेली का फूल है. ठीक है. जैसमुद्दीन बल Ghayasuddin Balban declared himself the king of Delhi Sultanate in the year of 1266 में. In the election of United States President, the large number of the Electoral College members are elected from the state of California. Out of the following, the largest ethnic group by population without having a state of its own it, Kurdish. Okay, the first president of Palestine Authority, Yasser Arafat, died on 11 November 2004. The phenomena of Arab Spring was sparked by the self-immolation of Muhammad Bouazizi, a fruit seller in Tunisia. The imaginary lines of 0-degree longitude which passes through Greenwich is called meridian. The famous book East of Eden is work of John Steinbeck. Bastille Day in the commemoration of the storming of the Bastille fortress prison, which was seen as a symbol of the revolutionary offspring in France. Commonwealth of Independent State is headed by a host nation head of state. Sui generis is a Latin term for unique. The Strait of Hormuz fall between Iran, Oman, and UAE. Round is the currency of South Africa. Total numbers of districts in Punjab 36. The headquarters of international labour organizations are established at Geneva. Under the Employment of Children Act 1991, employment children is banned who are aged below 14. Trachoma is the disease of the eye, which is not one of the functions performed by the Punjab Employees Social Security Institution. Prevention of free quality education to the children of industrial workers. Out of the 14 highest independent peaks in the world, the 18,000 Pakistan has 5. The birth name of Sher Shah Suri was Farid Khan. ठीक है. Again, Southern Cross, which is the constellation found in the situation region of the night sky, consistently mainly of 5 stars. आगे Sahelat district at the time of partition was part of province of Assam. आगे hepatitis C is the leading causes of chronic liver disease. Okay, Euphonious is the opposite of Lagric. The incident of child labor in Punjab reportedly highest in brick kilns. ठीक है, वो भट्ठों पर ईंटें बनाते हैं जो बच्चों से मुशक्कर कराते हैं. The ratio of the circumference of a circle to its radius is 2k. An important river at Pothoharo Platoon is Sevan River. The capital city of Libya is Tripoli. Yangtze River does not pass through which of the country? Mongolia, Thailand, Taiwan. ठीक है. The Incan civilization flourished in South America. The legendary Africa city of Timbuktu is located in Mali. According to the West Pakistan Minimum Wages Rules 1962, an adult female worker performing work of equal value is entitled to get a dental waive. Comprising natural gas, CNG has the same chemical composition as that of sweet gas. The largest amongst the Great Lakes of Northern America is Lake Superior. The largest city of population in the Great Lakes region is Chicago. The capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. The gas commonly used in balloons is helium. ठीक है, ये 316 नाजरीन मैंने एमसीक्यूज आपको हल करके बताए हैं. वीडियो लंबी हो जाएगी, आप भी बोर होंगे. अगली वीडियो में 300 और आपको जो है ना हल करके बताऊंगा. ठीक है, आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है और शेयर करना है. ठीक है, मेरे पास और भी मैंने तैयार करके रखे हुए हैं, ये देख लेते हैं. आपको मैं दिखा, मैं 316 यहाँ तक हो गए, इसके बाद भी देख लें. बहुत ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज हैं, 2-3 हज़ार तक है. मैं रोज़ाना की बुनियाद पर आपको थोड़े थोड़े शेयर करूंगा. आप इनको अच्छे तरीके से तैयार कर लीजिए और मैं गारंटी के साथ कहता हूँ कि आपका 50 से 60% आपका एग्ज़ाम हल हो जाएगा. किसी भी जॉब का, टीचिंग की जॉब का, पीपीएससी की, एफपीएससी की, सीएसएस की, एमपीटीसी जो टेस्ट है वो भी हल आप कर सकते हैं. आप लॉ का जो एडमिशन से पहले लैट का टेस्ट है वो भी आप इससे तैयारी कर सकते हैं. किसी भी किस्म के आपको जनरल नॉलेज का ये बेहतरीन एमसीक्यूज मैंने अब तक शेयर किए हैं. अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल आइकन को ज़रूर क्लिक करना है और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है वीडियो को. ओके बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़. मिलते हैं किसी नई वीडियो के साथ. याद रखिएगा, तब तक अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय.